Hello everyone, welcome back to Wood Dweller's Domain. I am Wood Dweller and I'm extremely excited about this video today. I am trying out the voiceover option and today we are going to be showcasing this amazing coloring book. This coloring book is called Black Fairies. How inclusive. It's an all ages coloring book. So awesome. Look at these photos on the back just to kind of show you a few pictures of what this coloring book offers. It's from scruffypuppress.com. I will have their Amazon shop as well as their Instagram down below. Please go grab this. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited to be just gathering the magic and sharing in with this coloring experience. Ever since I was a kid, I was always in markers, paint, crayons, and more. Please go get it. It's a stress reliever to color, especially for myself. My girls love coloring. I did get them the other book. She has three or four actually. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go get it. Yes, it's full of magic and full of fun.